babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Dorsanee hair. Big shout out to Dorsanee hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a pre-cut deep wave closure unit. This is the new craze when it comes to wigs. Like, to be honest, I'm kind of here for it. So this one is 24 inches long. This is a 6x4 lace closure, 24 inches. I have this unit in 180 density, but this is available in 250 if you prefer a lot more hair. You can purchase this from 16 inches all the way up to 32 inches. So for this particular style, which is 24 inches, 180 density, this will run you $218. So definitely check the links in the description box if you are interested in this wig or any other wigs that they have to offer. So as far as the install, we kept it simple. This is glueless. I did use a little bit of powder to tint the lace because the lace was giving off a little ash. I also clipped very little of the lace off. Like, you don't have to do that, but I did it. I attempted the flip over method with a looser texture hair and it did not look good. But with this texture, perfect. I feel like with the curly texture, it has just enough density and volume to make that flip over just look great. So I will show you what that looks like. I was gonna go baby hair crazy, but I did not like the way it was turning out. So we kind of scale back on the baby hairs as we go like further into the install. But this was a really easy wig. Another thing that I noticed was these curls of the hair itself dries pretty fast. I noticed that when I bleached the knots, the hair did not take long. Usually when I'm letting these wigs air dry, it takes forever. This dried within a few hours. And I also noticed that as I wet this hair to style it, it dries pretty fast too. So another thing I did different with this install is I did not drench the hair in water because I feel like you don't get an accurate idea of what the hair or the wig looks like when I completely wet it. I wanted you to see like what this hair actually looks like without product, water. So I did not use any curly hair product in this one, and I've used very little water. So let me know if you see the difference, because I do notice like the difference in the curls, but nonetheless, this curl texture is beautiful. The curl pattern has to be my absolute favorite thing about this wig. Definitely the curl pattern. I love the construction of this wig. I do notice though that they split the wefts for the tracks to create this wig. So if you are somebody that likes fuller hair, I would definitely suggest the 250 because, you know, I be analyzing these wigs and I was like, oh, these are split wefts. So that does give you a, I would say, a more breathable wig. But for my girls that like a lot of hair, you're gonna want to get you a 250, okay? But that is really it. I feel like this hair is true to length. It is curly, so you do get a lot of shrinkage. The cap size was perfect. I am an average medium cap size, and this fit really well. And I like that they have an adjustable elastic band inside that you can take off. The glueless wigs are the wave, okay? Those will be down below. If I have a coupon code, you already know that's going to be in the comment section as well as the description box. Shout out to Dorsanee hair for sponsoring today's video. To y'all for watching another wig tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
love me, baby. This might be new to you, this thing might be new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. Yeah. Bet a billion that you gon' like this, cause you never had a wild one like that. Don't really do one night shit, cause one night make them want a whole life. And you know I left my old lover in crisis, cause a new girl a hella uptight. And God broke the mold when he made my type. You got the same vibe, that's what I like. Yeah. It's all about me and talk about me and look at my pics all day. You always say please when I got to leave and say it ain't me to stay. They focus on T, I'm all that he needs and don't ever play no game. I love when you say my name. This might be news to you, this thing might be new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby. This might be news to you, this thing might be new to you, but if you like everything, I think you might love me, baby.
I don't love you, but you know I fuck with you.